Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is The Sean Show. Today I'll be talking about the LiveGood affiliate program. With that said, let's dive in. All right, so as mentioned, I'm talking about the LiveGood affiliate program and why you should join. The LiveGood affiliate program is basically an almost brand new affiliate program that started at the beginning of 2023. That it's a health and wellness product platform where people can pay a tiny membership and get access to health and wellness products for a wholesale price. Of course, you don't have to pay that membership and you could just buy the products at retail. That's fine too, but ultimately the membership is meant for you to save money, which is much different than a lot of these platforms where they offer some sort of product and you have to get it on auto ship. So they keep getting your money whether you have the product or not. And it's also an amazing business opportunity for affiliates. In terms of the affiliate program, if you have someone join as an affiliate, it costs $40. This gets you your back office, your websites, etc., all the marketing materials as well, and you get 50% of that. So if someone joins as an affiliate and they also join the $9.95 monthly fee so that they can get the products wholesale, you basically end up getting a 50% commission. And then of course you can also earn on 5 other levels as well. Take a look at the description down below and take a quick tour. It explains it so perfectly well. And if you want to join, fantastic. I'd love to have you on the team. If not, that's fine too. I understand. Either way, enjoy the rest of your day. And if you could just leave a quick like and subscribe. Take care.